Welcome to Shruti's online school, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. So whenever you all are given mixed fractions and you have to either add or subtract, very firstly those mixed fraction need to be converted into improper fraction. And then we have to make the denominator same and then add or subtract. Let us see the first example. 2 1 over 5 plus 3 2 over 3. Here you see these two are mixed fractions. We'll convert them into fractions first. So what we do is upon 5 as it is, 2 multiply 5 plus 1 plus upon 3 as it is, 3 multiplied by 3 plus 2. 2 fives are gives 10 plus 1 over 5 plus 3 threes are gives 9 plus 2 over 3. 10 plus 1 is 11 over 5 plus 9 plus 2 is 11 over 3. Now you see the denominators 5 and 3 are not same. So what we need to do is we need to take the LCM and make the denominators same. Now in the table of 2 you don't get 5 or 3, you get in the table of 3. 3 for table 5 you don't get 5 as it is, 3 ones are 3, then 5 table ones are 1. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So what you are going to do is 11 over 5 as it is plus 11 over 3 as it is. 5 multiplied 3 gives 15, so 11 multiplied by 3, they both are siblings. 3 multiplied by 5 gives 15, so 11 multiplied by 5 as they both are siblings. 11 threes are 33, 5 threes are 15, 11 fives are 55, 5 threes are 15. Now you see the denominators 15 is same, so you have to just add the numerators. 33 plus 55 gives 88 over 15. Now the question was a mixed fraction, so we need to convert the answer also into a mixed fraction. How we do that? It is very simple. We just divide 88 by 15. 15 fives are gives 75. When I do subtraction, I get 13. So 15 as it is in the denominator, 15 multiplied by 5. 5 whole and the remainder is 13. This is your final answer. Now let's do the next example. So here also we convert the mixed fraction into fraction first. 3 multiply 2 plus 1, denominator 3 minus denominator 2 as it is, 2 multiply 1 plus 1. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 over 3 minus 2 ones are 2 plus 1 over 2. 6 plus 1 7 over 3 minus 2 plus 1 3 over 2. Here the denominators 3 and 2 are different, so what we do is we take LCM. 3 and 2. In the table of 2 we don't get 3, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So the LCM is 2 threes are 6. So now 7 over 3 minus 3 over 2. 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6, so 7 also multiplied by 2, they both are siblings. 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6, 3 also multiplied by 3. 7 twos are 14, 3 twos are 6, minus 3 threes are 9 over 2 threes are 6. 6 as it is, denominators are same, we subtract the numerators. 14 minus 9 gives us 5 over 6. Question is a mixed fraction, so here if you divide 5 by 6, you get zeros are 0 and the remainder is 5. So your denominator 6 as it is, whole number is 0 and the numerator will be 5 as the remainder is 5. This is the final answer. Now let us see two more examples. You can just pause your video for around 4 minutes and solve these sums. 4 2 over 3 plus 3 1 over 4. The next example is 1 1 over 3 minus 1 1 over 2. So I hope you all have solved. Let's see how it is to be done. Very firstly, we convert the mixed fraction into fractions, improper fraction. 4 multiply 3 plus 2 over 3 as it is, over 4 as it is. 4 multiply 3 plus 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 over 3 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 over 4. 12 plus 2 is 14 over 3 plus 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4. We have to take the LCM as the denominators 3 and 4 are not same. In the table of 2 you don't get 3, 2 2s are 4. Then in the table of 2 you don't get 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. In the table of 3 you get 1s. So the LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 14 over 3 plus 13 over 4. 3 multiplied by what gives us 12? Yes, 4. So 14 also multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 3 and 13 also multiplied by 3. 14 4s is 56, 3 4s is 12. 13 3s is 39, 4 3s is 12. The denominators are same now, so we just add the numerators. 56 plus 39, which is equal to 6 9 15 5 3 8 95 over 12. Now here the question is mixed fraction, so we convert this also into a mixed fraction by dividing. 95 is to be divided by 12. 12 sevens is 84. When we do subtraction we get 1, 11. So here denominator 12 as it is, whole number 7, whereas the numerator will be 11. Let us solve example number 2, where we have the fraction as 1 1 over 2 minus 1 1 over 3. So here we first convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. So 2 as it is in the denominator and 3 as it is. 2 multiply 1 plus 1, 3 multiply 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1 over 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 minus 4 over 3. So here denominators 2 and 3 are different, so we take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. Excuse me. 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is. 3 ones are 3. So the LCM 2 multiply 3 gives 6. So 3 over 2 minus 4 over 3. 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6. 3 also multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. So 4 also multiplied by 2. 3 3s are 9 up over 6 minus 4 2s are 8 over 6. Denominators 6 are same. So 9 minus 8. Now 9 minus 8 will give you 1 over 6. Question is in the form of mixed fraction. So this 1, if you divide by 6, zeros are 0. And if you have to write it in the form of mixed fraction, your whole number is 0 and the remainder is 1. Thank you everyone.
Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.